malugin tutau mergi darada bela rokui sola ya tianga historically kultal merul le dirga kamel Mr. and Mrs. di adelegate rapilio ang tiang lo ba apil which is it's a good thing tara podoruring la tutau ulingit lo say member open ratio la tutau lo ba ka kadebang lumo mandak po mga ternile tia sure ngin dia kal sure nga atange me la kulingit te ko Michael Mumsa a Mrs. Isechal ke mediang en bolsa el open ra program ki la tutau lo ba kadebang lumo ya uri say git e solai e kadmo ostatra program kit remediang
Klem legawa ulamio pega marreda la rogul toy magi mergao mal merenga sulem rate al sabab amal guk mo du al mora ar other belau al ngar al sel michael belau agi maralo tangsao olingit tra kaidan sergao lo ke wa eta reng mal bas elo pangkamam also sulta me damal dios bol sabab amal gop kalyang klem Kamsaurang algemel Yesus luul engariate alam malmol malmalas malmungil adra buay ma tulungal ka makablil ma kiborger magera kitikap kalyang klem e blessing salmor at malmareng asule molnit tra blessing salmortal station adias direkal morar adal tira mo oreng sampal sa tira mo maklang al tanga tragaw mangklem al modangs ay kakudar sa logi wang klang al kem Yesus sa pala. Amen.
Amen. Okay, welcome. Gitu tau. Sola me kumesa nga listra ikel topics malupang issues sa man kote ko mo explain malupe ko mo ayos ka ma'am. Sola auriu de most of your other ask questions pertain to what you put out this morning.
Okay.
Kamanga do is solan di ngilar adra blu alcohol in.
Malungil.
Let's sum kamanga mo malgora to oil which is sensory mo tanglia setilang kamin rang yang ngila alcohol adra blu ask question. Miselo ring tial tengwa is solai.
Okay.
Eka stop sate ala adra blu manggori raket ndi remember simple stop ngi misel po mereka mga do atraplu emberkoe go back to the issue sel the plan.
Okay.
Then wargi de why as you all know 488 4949 seguir la live to sel goles emberkoe com gol emberkoe me kulingit lo say mem di tangara to goira tiarur tul morasenet questions segmi mem lo lut kul budula yigid el toy lo ulen kal adam a declare el murmur tu masenet putum sate almung motrura yigid el ngaralister ngi ya uri se yigid mo ke ringira se en wise okay so ala nam na ikor kau mi telketis
Okay, malung itu tayo Mr. Diaz akti mo Mr. Diaz lo mo hindi ak mo tulik for the rest of the show lagi wa umul radiam
I say
magote Mr. Diaz masalat te al radio station nga mapikir mediang tutau agote soal mo recognize ra kadangala bulur ng remit mo recognize ra amareta ra bukul ng remit man masil ng remit direct nga bulur orior recognize ra ibadul ma bilong ma bulur orior ma masil orior direct bok triak klay may reklay marbet lobugul apalur babul tao mayol tao sila ikal palu ang club to tele direct bok acknowledge sa president mo sa marbet minister sengi acting chief justice ru marbet member judiciary senator Paules marbet senators markalik sa senate of course my speaker Anastasio marbet delegates governor association no giwa chairman tir governor smooth arbekal governors ma speaker association logiwa chairman tir speaker association Mr. Delera speaker da program lagyo Mr. Diaz takngat yang again for the first time lo saying kami mention ng opening statement lo sa takngat yang mapigiran mediang this is the reason why I brought her ngaling siya to ko lang apart mo dang li kablo ko ram lagor ngira tel station ragaw bekil program at pasal nga ni kasi for every man there is a good woman behind the scene. Nakangatyang lo ba bigran meryangal kukurat tergiblong ot itay datoy. Bakmak kasi for every man there's a good woman beside that man.
Beside.
Hindi behind, beside that man. Tiagi dia team is al. Tiagi dia team show is al. Ruto mamul mora senet. Mr. and Mrs. Show and Meriang.
Appropriate lang sel dungul mora biblical belief nga kasi. Mlara tial me beside yun dia kan ngaraw gele mga appropriate elang ating every good man there's a woman beside.
Okay, sure.
I think that's appropriate.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mga kaumada nga kadiya sa basi nga kaamnamo ilabol mo ilalo to ulbi nga mo 16 years.
As a delegate?
As a delegate.
Okay.
Ngayawal term.
Okay.
Siya boleh mereka secure at 2016 aku belum okle belum tahu sebasing at 2020 aku mau korang boleh mesra helder nga margik ilo tibirar mo korang mitra 2017 wasi perhaps this will be my last time as a delegate bo sigara obisa delegate tial beliau akol belu tokar adar ngim dat tokar tokar saal marangal kerdil tol al ngirnela itial le delegate tel gupang ada kal korat titor rablik sebekal diopan momat girek every 4 years se gup punya te al rabalu mosi o mesranik sel candidate tin mora delegate senator vice president president state legislature mo ise governors mo ise Sera May 5th 2019 ngam the senior citizen a year and some months ago ak narabilo Bercel annual senior citizen emlol ngita arabilyo emlol turgati kasi el alplal polewal rak ewal term 16 years delegate das sungi namong il time gupok peritial delegate sate alla blu bolo mesra kikrel dil tol dil belangani tarang madarngel lolang ala sebel gup monex delegate tit eguk belum usil gingal lewang erung ereng ewaltur le kumiring aku merang ada continue with ma transition dengan yang able time sep elap esel delegate lom ta suarangul abelu lom ta suarandil emosi ga adun bak ngila blessing atil nang basically since May 5th 2019 I'm sort of been working behind the scene was sigat legal marasenit mang sige dia ula ak may decide mo Senate. Number 1, acting healthy. Number 2, I have a good lady beside me. And I know she will support whatever I do. Nakakmal ka sa Senate mataligid. You know that. You've been a senator. Nga di sir confirmation. Plus, ang suka lang amne delegate maknigal centrate welfare abilio dik ne National Congress mak bumis ang rebelaw akmal nga rebelaw ma gilbis amda kada 16 states
then it will outright to move le step out dem porcel imorablay el sispa imorabul PS como caucledem ma gilti ngela bilio sel terkli ra senet mal open house sel bong ngani gel ngara bitalo metringi yo si siwa duswi
okay ela mal dim de la 1 2 3 4 5 so wali mo mention ak claim troy le kel gomes sing global goal
okay
ya baby dingi ay blagi mojor other olbe kel administration ar mo saw ma a senet ma house like na mo brekel long tube on to olbe and then the work never stops so number 1 I like to ko in at sibak masinito sin mutan mo concentrate sa batlela a pension plan na brubelaw leng napto the report el mergido give professionals about 2 years ago a year ago el kasi tela ka sa kilo ki wala makasisibela do mo mran mo regular basis and so they were bankrupt that means kaum nangara sistema sem mo din at adlo mo dia lang din Tegen uritar mo kasi mautudir. Closure, we need to look at tool badengela, atara badengela, retirement kita ngara defined benefits, kailangan self badengela defined contribution which you are familiar with, kora 401k, sib edel kora incorporate ringil mortial sistema tangarngi egal tu sistema kaspak.
What's it?
Atalah mal giredo lo meserngia atora social security. Kita namun kelola living expenses ada belaw ada aloran mo gikari ran mo klo. Tel effort tragam namun mereka do tium ba ela lotu albir o bisa president ma senate ma house lagi mabel all we can consider increase kirel increase rabe kra el mara social security. Ela rak en waling ras el dar club. I hope mo se begel mas senate ma pumel belum tiar kalik sa senate ma house law is president to lagi kali do rabe kra. El mo se betel social security dal de para retirees surviving spouse marangal el de certain age en la mata awan parent el glorior mgiret bela SS. We call them dependent. Dalam club gula tora health health insurance lagi. El time di asset mal tol ata bekraka amo msilka temura hemodialysis sera gotrulia insurance la ongai lolbir omngi and we did not consider omsilka must we qualify mo member insurance le mal me expensive tim lakaw daud el al nganya tagib lu daud ra health insurance nganya ungil premium ra activity governmental mong ma MSR workers mong namo time to consider el al COVID lakas COVID tokol patient rom sila na magiri ko mura Philippines Taiwan mo rates ranor batir ko chensay gel dongul to asir ngi mering le dia kas ko ki very expensive other misil ka dakal di retirees ta yarangal
Kami test to the question nga kami ka chairman of Westminster House na matangay la kikidro ko at sel wat sem brand aran sel malom silka at yakat yaki the harar nila.
Last figure king kaya subsidizing at $300 per.
Exactly.
Umaram legal in lang 700-800 per session per day. Umara 2. Egel usually one session a day. Mandi one day umaram legal kami sa $700 to $800. Umara pala kami sa $300. Even makal betul kau udah mampu mengerjakan 300. Anyway, tarama club tora held beside the insurance selum kodorngil was a step down facility. Dia udah step down na dia kau udah rulia a senior citizen home malu bingkil biriti long term patient hospital. It's gonna cost millions. Mga talaulah sebenarnya lo youth minister aku asyik makil top daw da last do ige me dal se el potoy audo da agora dir gamade le de agora se rahmal excuse and then ayud to almost 300,000 ase me decía para el hospital al mula tel bet se multi long term patient el la mokir el taing and then das bil taing el das bil mormel el bot diga adika ba awngil petir diga adopt trir el gilam sang. So if you go to hospital today, there are people who has been there for 2-3 years. Namus itu apa? Hindi ka partial warning. Yan nakapalimental ko kami sa tirigay dalat. Mo incorporate ngira health insurance, tigal araw yor yung nawitay sa eduk na health insurance. Olbira ko la almost $400,000 a year, even $500. It must support health insurance or other lamo 60s. Hindi ka lawyer, hindi ka MSR tier, hindi ka employer contribution. Lastly, at tarahma club gula kita kami dengar kami narolbi. Malbeto ka private school apalur pelaul. Historically, tokol ada. Egam namun mereka lakukan rakyat tu dia titir independence. Asin dengan lagi mula private schooling, tu mereka character building. Dia kalau siapa public school lah mungkin di sama private school, religious school lah. Aku orang ni extra sense of murah adun mongilat. Dia kalau di academic level, lamarangan ni, duur ni, heart ni, manggiral. Lakmo malamon support at toera ang estado ng kapalimento ng public schools. And finally, of course, kung ako tingin ka maluludog rin hindi pa time sa senator ka mo wandel was tial sire kal state ngedom sire ulo rabet sils rabet kerak lengkawa responsible alum kabel oil as well give them the money but make sure they do it para get revenue generating dia kan itu ula pai itu ula
Exactly.
pari itu ula kana sige da mingita ko a few things ko ra kana mind rak I'm more interested on issues sa school hospital not on a general term, but more on a specific project or specific. Like mga kasi abo tayo tuloy ang niya. Tigil bermut president tablo ang niya ko ra. A planet tier. Hindi ka madangay. Nganya plan role as a senator delegate, balu mo president, balu mo vice, hindi lakal nga niya corporation regal Netherlands. Yaw to siya malakasipin mo botagoy. We all dream about doing something, being kagaya mo will the consensus, ma-cooperation, makiltaring. And berko nga sabihin mo tukoy mula, walu executive order, walu directive sa president. Mandigay I'm open for questions. I think if I club I'll make question of why Macau.
No.
Bumutila siya where up to the delegate is Al Moran Moore, yung alam mo kita ngay, and how he plans to accomplish things.
Kami dongo doon es kau atir ke delegate rablio. Nila time es solaya ka pangalan sa COVID-19. Belilio the only state in the union will have more people live in Peleliu than outside of Peleliu. Yeah. Remember ngar aim tartel atak kira blu ikap keu ngarira tretele bekeu le kamal bokklem ra ya misal muawla la khmar ngar ga quote ngi ma na per ter resolution bill ngra klel smodis misal bomreka ya question awasay kida qad awara say ngarira adram ligel Soldar Brigade Marines, and they're on their way from Camp Pendleton of California. They're on their way here. Namorngia adrablio tobdel. The question is why? Ngaram te di metial me matala udl ngaram why now? Ding ngaham ding ding article dulile classified information. Mang kiritigel responsible ngarat sela amtel no ngi yang aku namo diak controversial namo diak hak namo tu diak age nga but anyway tirgel me amen improve the airport recondition I get bebira ngania list of things they have to do a question is it ke support ra undas and up against it
Okay. I will have support again. Outright say support okay, and we have to share things with the people of Palau. Marabilong tumamang. Ako tingin recognize sa singalia constitution na bulur belaw. O nga dun sa singalia constitution na bulura ablilio. Ya o nga din kasi ngalia compact of the association na bulur belaw mabluram tingin.
What's it?
Silot tirak la constitution na bulur belaw. Tia idea ulah mamno mga compact. Back in the 80s, ndonya 7-8 plebiscite mga compact. Ndonya provision kasi. As guma dial dial to ni dalam digel amesois skogel nga nuclear. And it's not going to be allowed. They may require 75% other belal mo senkol ko gala compact with that provision. So it took during episode time other belal mo senkol tergibel amend la constitution ngil tergibel mo kapwa kasi gil toy. No se puede agun niyo nakamural message mo president implementa compact. Now, era si October constitution na Bilio, hindi ta Bilio kaya temelala ngilo asi. Anytime in United States, Article 11, Section 6. Anytime a United States government tamo hindi na expecta siya ba ng Taiwan gil bulul mertiang.
Masih.
Ada milu sa temelala Bilio asi. Anytime a United States military I may hold the exercise, military exercise of Bilio, it must be approved by a referendum. Bilio. That has never been done. Yes, ako do pergi like respect ra compact. Ako do pergi namos we soldado exercise sa bulan bileo ra bla. Edi ako nga sa tola badu tola bangla. Di se classified. Kita di adra bulan bileo mamli sa tola unclassified information. Now, aktive malkargik da otimel ala bileo. Di adra bileo memula do mamal leadership bileo ambassador kasi tiang ada al military tiang goodwill trip. Mengkora mo kapag karar mo.
Masih.
Mungkin agir bebi relator sa bilon mura. Misi tiang sem military exercise in goodwill murnya war games meng mas atang rabit and he denied that. Again dia kalau boleh jadi me patsa pra airport and do some reconnaissance or whatever, I'm not sure. And they got classified information ada bilo ada ngila unclassified. Ira miya kami soldado but ngada igel guk mo ro da mo wise leng that's how it is.
Ya, será October, ongo compri na extra. I mean, no fact lo se adra americana se ulusep ka tool B-52. I gave bomber. Why did they do that? Show strength lo se ali kama madir ka makar.
So the fact that we in COVID-19 and siguro real belaw amla mamligel amla agira igel precaution for COVID prevention, testing, quarantine, what have you. And then I'm comfortable. But let's see what happens after they leave.
Up to 18 months, I heard.
Well, kurang siya dala on the way here. There's 100 people. Iladi mo 60 ang murapalu. The rest aladi kaladial. At tala agir at statements ng ambassador Mirkamam Arabilio. Mag-share nga leadership meeting. Which the House and Senate didn't go, the secretary issue. They might have a chance to come to Korea and play softball or maybe go diving. Get as some tourist revenue. Mental kita klemer 100 ada longodu elbol patronize sa hotel. Al sugub the COVID free.
The common sensely speaking, as sugum 20 days in the top of Camp Pendleton, California to here. A said 14 days requirement of quarantine. Assume to arrive at the test positive, but it didn't talk.
Sige, para mna ako do berngay.
I mean negative.
Ako do para abrir la Miguel merbelaw tagi the diploma tagi relationship again. The as we are in the COVID for the past 4 months and I sing up till local as they get below ang terat ma abdur belaw kasi health and safety other belado matters. If we take things into consideration, adik disappointed rin sa Legata Bilao the lack of communication from national government, especially Minister of State, Legata Bilao. Plus, ako doon as a delegate. Hindi mo nakaimol mabir, Mera Speaker, kamamlo siya Omra Lamay. Akpay rin sa Kabandura Bilao, siya Omra Lamay. Ngariya, ngalo na communication, and I don't know why, nga finishing their term, they don't care, or they want to show their power. And then there's got to be a communication between the OEK and the executive branch. I can rule makalorior. That's what executive branch dingi lorior. Dengan niya Allah aguk ngani am sakrisi magel guk disela ulbi ul to Allah. Yes, I support Rasul Dalme. I hope I gave precaution bila ketua klub bengkel Miguel begitu rauk tukar helda amutaut emerald COVID free meter mula urelir enjoy bela amrai lagi dak kadang pasak
Decision ergao Mora Senate. Tumne consult with your wife to see if she supported or not.
Well, aknaka you
let her explain.
Well, I did. Maybe aktiwas kasi akmedi akora advisor mo sa Senate wala ko pilar meriang. This was 17 ng ano pilar meriang early 2017 ng ano pilar meriang September 2017.
After the fact.
Ding doon niya aldo and she shook her head, but I think she thinks because te alam ngani asal
Please. Come explain.
Man masaula. Hindi akal sabi rupa ka nga kabiigan na musawal. Nga kamatang yung rere ra rule ra lang ra house. timo support teringi.
Maringat ila politician.
Dias nga kam logro la politics. Sabel maring the
Depends how you handle it.
kada yeah, there you go. Ngari nga challenges hindi kada mga madauringi, mga daul. Osisil time yak malo marangara. Klisi ala rubakal mas kita wisdom.
I see.
Masay kita ngari.
So in other words, in Selemera, ngar eru klokal eto malingi rak klokal pasra 12 pisipir mura be pira treta raurior. E malemeng songoreng tarangul tim lahal ngai ke rogu ne plan en momrul. Mang mel di ngual gungel mal ubeng tingun bet irai ga meliu se magalan bala. You know how to handle him.
Oi, halagu wais teringi. Nga marangi adia hal sukumendi merablang me olyu teringi. Enga sel sukum ngurior, eng di ope saplangur. Mendia hal necessarin mel me omur, di mel chanjeringi ore dal marail. Di nga maloreng satoy.
Ore satoy.
Komeng. Di ang blo alo ay sa adalwa singira kaloreng serapi ikam. Di no it's di ngilaro ko.
Aquí ngara huri pinga kula surgery amda. Yang nora emergency surgery or nora guru. Yang yarum ringi amne cross room hamak. Kioni murasen siongara maklo. Ya pong ngoto das singa sela kalen maiga. Kasenga rahmati mosmerela. Dinga gider mal healthy to okortian. Kut musen mo merel kut togora politics. Uktion tik esanga dire brater. Omlim rom omlam togol. Dia had stop din minimizer. Lesel sport satlorio. En die jueklen, lengos perseguir el balance up mongaraklen, di domestic mar hertim na ke na weight, kluman at.
Can I say something to that?
Go ahead.
Sera sera February May. Ya sera 17 May mena kasi ndiyam stop ay gang.
What's it?
Enseguida that take my assistance sa masarakin. I've been sort of smoke-free since March. Once in a while, I could cook wine and then
That's it.
Indirectly, ko lang kanya impact rin namo dapat nga tigal sa ngin the other week anniversary at the man. But 21 years since he passed away, maging blog etirgaya dia sa na dibi ang click. Sila bi irap lang at atam. Dati daw papa nga. Anyway, I had a little one that night. 2 days ago, upset us. But thank you for compliment.
Yeah, well, yeah, I know you can be a good supportive wife. So I be like politicians in the you've been there, so you know. Kami about our next question. KSI, economy. Saya tengah olbira lulak mil logori mal on logori la se melak dakatul tuira tourism industry. Something happens good more at our role.
I say.
Let's concentrate on natural resources. Both tuira gig such as oil and other things, you know. Farming, what tilapia mga nasin food security. Elakit tel nga at sele delegate. Omgo como la Senate. Sib edel sweet se semal over the lean mo dia hatsan mal du tuira tora tourism ko me sabe bira natural resources.
Kada nga point because of this COVID to leak, there's no way to turn back but go forward with that mentality. Namo dia sib edel choose kasi kada makalange but dia sib edel mangi. Tial COVID na probigit lo asing. A single tourism industry is only industry source of revenue mera government belaw maulio belaw ada kasi bedal tiringi girel ngania alternative investment girel ngania timia casino ada belaw mer bora internet gambling ali timia wa casino timia mer bora foreign corporation act it bora captive insurance people offshore banking legal shobay liwat yal ship registry agal la dakal bel portra kola portra belaw ndio baktel belaw dimrael And being there's ways to do it. Ako bitam na October kita luas ya elahit going to 2021. Kampat is unclear was yung mga orang. Kita already mamam naman si Belau for $60 million. Yung kanya 15 million, yung kanya abirablan sa lagi. Where are we going to get revenue to pay those loans once yung namagigit start til haraw? Giret lo mo urel ang plan was yung ramo revenue mo uspain mo per 60 million. Ramo revenue mo subsidize sa tourism. Ramo revenue mo subsidize sa ameni needs rebelaw. I get tol gulgo ra social security ma pension mara. I get dekal deal free. I get uspi auto. So we go to past the casino. Now we have a beer house in Masada, internet gambling. People don't come here and play. Okay, I give them a tenner also, but outside the also. But they sort of use Abelao as a home. It Porera Masir Tirma. I don't know the motor Sinan Metia earlier, but we can control those. Shall be the house. Our Tadori license, we can carry to 15 or even 10 or messing it. Then we cannot live by tourism alone. I'll say. Naka umrang alwasyan sugo hindi ka sumakang pakta deral mga which say your negotiation again, abis government term again, but Trump will win. Kita lang do something and we're going to bankrupt.
Kita ngayon do that trust fund.
Yeah, I check our balance as of the end of June, around 260 million.
Oh, we lost about 40 million.
40. But the market is picking up. But the market, what goes up also can come down. So
back to casino. Makikita was ngora ardil soal lom eletiljon. So tita impact.
And I understand the regal gukora from the religious side. Akmesa merit sa tingin. But malakal casino ay gukto may siguro alternative.
What's it?
Data to internet gambling and blah. It's all machines. But with foreign corporation, may maklol kumbali may register kumbali nityan. Bagel kumbali ng Arwa Bahamas, Cayman. May lakal pay real tax. And they actually, di ako na mo transit la headquarter. And then regal maklol kumbali bring tourism in. You know, when you bring, let's say you bring an Amazon office here. They're going to bring tourist people to come. So you live. They're not going to bring 10,000 people. You're going to bring just an office with maybe a couple of hundred people manning that office. Namong nila fiber optic. Kawati nila na fiber optic. Ilang.
Kauta tirgel dila sa papier optic. Tiyakan. Papier optic. Kabo ang so mi tiyan ba. Tulong to ngin mo aktop de tira wase. Man. Sel gotlungi la milkat mokra ever insurance, medical insurance. Ese que mirur tingin mo.
Well, I have to give credit to the 8 OIK and the president Rami Amalip. House Assembly Speaker Naway Do. Chancellor ng President, kaya mariram niya pa. Siya umudang lil, and the staff will be regular, on a room, on a wang, they tried to get it done. It never did. Unfortunately, it will be regular. You know what? This will be set time, other will be, set time, the second term, it was a political will. Siya kita missing na sometimes, kasi mal mo matakta politics, sila mismo mo di ka niya umiltoy. Yeah, good example, internet gambling ang nasta ka na Senate.
kami telitiang hel perang kasumak towak le. Ako tingi presidente ng mga saw. Leng seleme katisyen ng mal chekaro ko yun. For example, krireng sa luwas ng ariya bebira ministry 4 days, it get paid for 5. Torio Monday to Thursday. Yak sa point ringi leng wasay. Hindi akat sa PM, arat sel wasay tigitak lunga la dudemra every 2 weeks. Et obligated sel udodul wasay payment rama payment hindi akat sa PM ngubtise. Leo ngubti mo yang oh. Ya aku mesti ngasih. Kedu reduce sa arms PM concentrate blim matang claim sel one day oil. Ay kira makarmula kay gidim ti government ta o mas ka perga at that level lang algema uspe ang esura kalma rugoy ma family gaw mangkata hours hindi apea di usisi
I say se interesting di asle ang ilo kapia directive ng eling baby ra ministry mo stat last Friday ako ni ora ndaya ni mga Minister of Finance staff ng mamami ko asin dia ka to obis mamande de deliver lagi ako pa na si Tukoram na statal aplase lo usual directive and this is president ng mga Saul. That's why he's been a president for 16 years el boy ra kotel mo nding experience mo do on ra consensus ra dal adi triable issue ra sa delegate as a lawmaker at yagit our basic core week na complement belaw ang alala it's a law ngara at Title 33, at Chapter 10, at Division 2. Kasi ko doon, 7 dori mo 11 dori, 12 dori to 4 dori, Monday to Friday. At sugum ko doon, 40 hours a week, and basic pay. Di sugum, any hours behind that, time and a half. Di tiyaligar mo sawa, tiyadi, angal mo December, tiya ko na di trial. I'll go ahead with him.
Sigara mo kasi Ocean
Well, directive niya, he needs to come to us to change the law. Hindi mo do, mong ko kasi hindi ang temporary. So that's, kalata ko ng president, 16 years I mean, his professor. Check his work before he does. Ngayon mo dahil ngayon, ra session, laging ilo alikat opinion kasi tiya gila sala ng time mo tiya directive niya di temporary so okay magit sala mo sala ngulmorsel directive ako tupol mere ka December du sala ngulmorsel pero mo why say salva se ngorior alo ngorior nguya January esol pay pero sala
c'est mal unique ulak ko
that's president Mostau that's him looking outside the box.
Wase. Hindi mal, ako bisa sa gamle, he did his homework. Leng, mo nga siya, CDC require 14 days of quarantine. Yes, el actablo seguid, el tenga tira kwa me check tira 2 weeks. El ako din mo orang agim assure mamra Tuesday night, agim Saturday. Agwa matim no, nama 1 week. And the CDC require 14 days. Nasa dia kami tungulot tangli less 1 week. Mang 1 week material nga rakwam masaybar magera mo rakwam at house till 1 week instead of 2 weeks. Olas tiras ko gilmetiang and still we have 21 days.
Last in shape of the complement
exactly.
Takaya quarantine rakwam o marbelaw. Bigla ala hotel rakwam.
I see. That was a genius. Back to pension plan. Pension plan, like I said, you got to do something. Obom ngit mora sene. Several lisel mo tara priority gal tiagi da a pension plan is $100 per year turiste, $25 if I'm not wrong amortire. Mera la turiste man dia ka mo se di mga tial seed money.
I see. Sige dia ule olbida ko Lord 2018 na $150,000 mara pension. Ma-pension am her awam bali base Singapore el semmo merula actuarial study eligire el pension plan lagi de lo se tiang wala health ni tiak de makarang possibly de lo lagi do si sebenarnya sebenarnya contribution na 6% employee to employer. Si Pedro para private sector, mga other ngay, si Pedro minus sa benefits, dolar adre lang. Si mo minus sa benefits, dolar adre sigot dolar unfair to go. Kasi emla adam na invest ako rin rara at 10 million po, ipesta $100 naman din mo kasi mal makita ay kan na with casual bankrupt at tumas ka 50. That's suicide. Politically, humanly, yakal ito. Mang astadik mula si May, irman katrib poluto, mani attention na house, mutu increase ra, as $25 at tourism mo, hindi mo nakapot to sa Senate. The little mo nga defined contribution. Lagi na ka na defined benefits, Kasi kung suka 10,000, meron ulo lang ko tayo rank, 60 years. Kasi retire ka na X number of dollars. Regardless na ba makita malporyo. Hindi mo lang siya until you die. Kasi may lahat ng low yun, edi low out 8,000, live for 30 years after he retire, Michael, nila ang malila employee. Hindi nila, kasi hindi malay. May nakatubok siya na convert to tiyal. Sino pa si tigil at ang system, less than 5 years of tigil as mesois, labor shall define contribution. Siya ko na 401k. You choose how much you put in. Kasi kung siya, okay matela, maybe you put 10% of your money in.
Yeah, I guess I will withdraw.
Yes, I will withdraw. But kung siya ka tuloy tela, ewo klo asel, suam, siya siya afford rin yung umungal, mamarabli.
Set that percenta.
3% na wala. Amli suggestion ngay. Hindi mo nasta ka na house. Hindi na kami tirawin siya min. Sa gimna mo na second reading. Hindi akiyomes at TLL mga na Senate. Ko na nakal sabihin. Mga timam na spend at timam. Hindi I'm under record. Akmo trial. Lato tirador de mo na Senate. Wiragi mo mrek. Hopefully Senate will act a lot. Yak mo malamol. Igay ito ka SS, health insurance, pension. Igay mo malayang igay recruiting program, igay will improve. Mak mo malamol will improve.
Buhay at subong aki mga doon di at subong ang questions pertain to the issue maram subject to mo sadari in this and call around 488-4949 and ask a question. Leader ng mura Mr. Malubang Mrs. Saan Solal Lolas will answer hatang Okay, 488-4949 natin wagi. Okay, kadol mo. Ito. Ali, yung ito tao.
Malungin tu tau.
Ito tao.
Al probole malungin ang duro ko siya delegate na video. Hindi na maludubin mo senet. Tadi onti kasi. Kal SS ang malumol, Mr. Angarin Lilang, si El Malumol, Milmura, next year.
Okay.
Hindi ka maswak sila latara. Lola mol, milulong sewra pensyon. Hindi ka din, close to oil, kasi ya, di ka lumkoreo rin sa di ata kabelmenta, benefit ni. At di ka kabelmenta, kumasyo doon okor ba yalaw. Oy, magiging ongit, lola mol, masapak, kaya tabalol, retirement, sabi yalaw, spare kumiyo. Lang.
Yes, sil ko sil tora SS gimnasado nga olbir emlang wami mo atala ramam sel 100 tala dolar nga adela mo stop September dori at sugum olbir la jalo to da beselu do.
I see.
Mga nga tol das lo sia suma presidenta agi ba do presidenta direct nga sa ay katinga mar atra olbir. And I believe he support it. Mas ito dia audo era September 1st, sumugod mo October 1st, sumugod mo continuing resolution in gam ito dia. And the aldo ya dia sa gira FY 2021 budget at tiagid. Sila ka election year kat polo ka continuing.
What's it?
Bela dia because of COVID ito ka ko shorted sa legal budget activity. Mga presidente ako na senda ay Julmira Olbir, malito si Olbir kasi ako senda budget tili kong propose sa 2021 budget diktimo langit ta 6 months appropriation. But sa LMS administration I will see by SL Olbir kung mo sa last 6 months. Then they will have sita mo te alder mamalo si special 50 $100 lagi mo to 50 for 6 months. Hopefully Tigil pun habis solvir, habis president, habis soif dulu dia habis
Sim.
unified lo ya sir 50 mal 100. Atara ma global goal ma magim ta agel mara black grant nanya increase agel lo kiwa covid cross act agel lagi laudo dengi si extra 50,000 mereka state ama ada albong lagi mo sigal de ulel agel aid manan public school wa emaus PMA agel gira mo to da
سأمل ميسيس يسأل سأمل لا فيرا روبا هرقاو الجيريلا تغورا education لسل دورين ستير تدي مساعدة سكيلا ودودم أميتل أودود يكا educator ناخ أمسرنيل واسي قدمنا neglect school system رجيد have a less priority دي على prioritize رجيد ترح كلاود بتريل من since educator كيرا يمول بلاي لو بنجلا بيم سأمل واسي الرأ tial dormo era al grab li lio de hadar clear al me to malo spera dormo se emel ud ulim el top de tiger other education en it tiler al grab mo seto mo gartir el ngawng school please em la bien le gomes dia education adi hal ngara priority list ti
Balwai se dia sendi kom dengan mase yang kalbi kalau korea se men at work. Sera sande yak mlora imora basyon ngari ngara ruba kal ngari ogel wase ya angal delegate ngarger makul ultra shasingin malup sa dalomel. The reason why yak makmota saying gom saudara mo rolela akeizai ma ako maral wase ungil blangur le mal ungil the educator ngal gedel kirel mangang mlamo omesa dalom legi malibal waseng ragi mo malal ya ko marangal wase go bekkel dalang okla o mo ler say kidele education begins at home
exactly
oy mang akmal me arungo kol girel say leng direct reliever ngira stress el mem lo lupsa dalom el bolo ke molal madalom di oy til ay gidel mul qoring el girela mo marur ador man qabli lyo marubet ngal oy ako marala sing oreng seringi mo oldu baringi so direct malo malas mal mga tado ringi marbeber adal ngaray kal dar wal music ma sports at taramal maklaw tutel ngaring raikal
education
ngaring raikal school akti goradi keketera ko ngitak laringi
dia sembar mahal bulup sa dalom after work Iran ay kagid is educator el nga same household mal kolgi tergaw sa med kay sew labi
Why say magi oreng sa alitakle mangitakle agumra la sa say kita kotulu lel lo mo ra obli yak malmol mel lo ay salwasen kasel me ya abri rabrior ulak waseng maloreng sa to koy maldi mel to the mora balkening mabilel mo arel me ay mo malol pa take that so anyway yes I will support him
thank you
kidel
hey ali gitu tau
Malungit kita lewat tulis ma Mr. and Mrs. Isechal. Honestly, gari kalmora delegate Isechal, chairman na Ways and Means House. Bas kaka-honest talo sange maraigal malakol. Lokader rak langar rakal mga politics at silbelaw. Del bo mereka House of Delegates segukum tobe del samal mong mas al mora senate. Ana sertlung yola larungum al omora ele ikam ere ratte member ngara delegate talwase ngila randira other bela let benefit at together el al time. Leng ador lang sara vekl adeng kom di tadi masada say ngil do korang ya ka adal bladra silwa say maklung yolirar agar belar el altay mga tamarit maringi mangungilaran dir leng klol tu telelar agar bela walungilaran dir ngarinya alorit maringi raw ready uraikan margol telar ra
wase
ndi al sab edal guk marail el mlosigira tara dalong ok le de blal de blaringi mal الرادي غاوبو
اوكي
مرang argaw le ul makukir tial gelle gorgaw you men at work
okay
been following you marang argaw ba sayel dunga motirakla
wase
Wala nga seora maral maabul other belaw. Low spe angis wal di kalbut kabil tamaak. Emigo, emazak, emerur, mangguk takal sibit but tagigir. Ako lang itaragal sa pamangal tangat ang mga senet, maral mo tinigil sidan at. Lang, and you got my vote.
Okay, terima kasih.
Absulang masi akmal di mo hensira kadi multigi kadep. Ay get tol guru la dakal si bendi ngakal tal di get trabilo di ngakal tal siyo isa alir mul. Collaborative effort tagalik sa ngala house ma leadership ra senate mo bisa president mo bisa governors mo bisa speakers. Kasi yaw dos wala dakal si bendi asiyasyo at tubda dos wala el kagenya tu martim delegate ingret el mususya wala so mga elu urtir sel guk global nga sorir yaw kuldo urtir. Diagel luro ku black involver ngiya aswakal di kung siyak malol do ra es ngakal tangat limlo akmulo ko margi ka mga matala musmer. And I saw how hard they work. Akkerare mo maklaw. Mr. Rungul maratala ka Rungul maradil matang na pelur pelaw. Atara ula ko sirmen at work il koram amotor nga ka ada makan le ada arael mirura arael orior babultao siya ka skura maristela igual mo remeg sta san men at work ako sigra ada makan ko kasi I know he's around somewhere makmulingit that chance. Meng selmen network basically sigistir adro arail donen crown the compact road tegal ad merura arail orior mapa mangarang bisa selesai ni reminds me of my father ngora dedication na atmak esegita alar ngol girela ang siul mura ad belau togunen mo god mam itut sulang
Masih, ngake Mrs. ala umrah rasul dia kangal kablung. Di terto kangal kal lesa opportunity mortir mendias bil advance rak langar makta adat len jaksin te al maulak lokora tokorator ngarnya ngar karap di dia ul kotru lap tulu raskul di tak atar oror mongmor oh sei kita kul gol ni ba sei me sigi dul kita ke ludo tra taiwan ru richel don oh ma chance administration edo mesela sits ed labi ra adar ngko ngil tel mong wa sei
Ali itu tahu.
Ali itu tahu. Terus buat sering time merangkang mas.
Jet orador ma akmal tingem kau ma api ikil girel akna ng sabto girel. I have to admit actually get trabile ko na di laksan mo mo do ng girel ay kam na mo break. Temek appreciate at the Chairman President Municipal. Speak of the recent line, it's just a matter of new plongot administration and plongot a direction na a leadership na pela hindi akmala mo lang ang lobang galap eagle 3 weeks ago and I saw the need to have a door. And akmala doon may family say, yung aligiram na sil lul weekend. Am asal sil play, am nebira adra bilaw. Iyo kasi nuligat na kasi mamasa mangtiya ada klaro ngalagi kana oriol de kilo bentiya ada mami tak ada seri
Masih.
mangsigi la
Mang cel domestic lang nganya gib to maklol tutulen especially to education dia kan ngara priority list ra kami wa politicians mang dia digital education Ali itu tahu?
Ali itu tahu?
Itu tahu.
Ali, kita question mora. Candidate.
Kabo.
Candidate tengara o singe bigirela education na blue dela.
Okay. Okay, silang
akadak semong rat ora education and ditiyagi daw the swell girela education as a senator as a candidate multama senate na member olbit elol meraka akpol olo mesrat ora school el kwase girela directive el mga era obis na presidente til orutra school ma minister Rahel meng bloil kaniya Ay annual conference ra a school like this summer ng morning ako onto sa siyempre may conference hindi ka lumih pa biya Ministry of Education will all be la siya kagita priority ka ma'am. Lenga priority education ab all siya may bingala president tulungit taw do annual budget dengan niya ako ra program mo ra gay. Hindi ka lubat temela titira nga mo dengan niya ako ra a plan. Akna mo 16 years kadon all be nga tal gisa a master plan na education na belaw, kung ading kailan kami tira education na a house na am na masanga di ka hisa. Ako mulak na session sa school education, mahel daktaran mo lagi specific, mapundo nga to education na mo support ta public school. I can sense we almost support ta real sensei. Di sing mga house, mga senate, ulo nga president. And how much is going to cost? Menggirel ngani ako na program kung kurado yung apply ngani jumeng may kita ko alto daw do sure girel maaral maskilin di ako na man na yung na school hindi nga ka product tra anan public school ra belaw maruk ulak malolo anan public school.
Okay. Alimit lutaw?
Badyo si siuladan mutul mululi.
Bravo.
El hace los education candidate agi Maldi akademika ngani hindi bagoy senaradia. Matiagi laun magugara kustero ka tiagi. Sera tamra teaching larinya MOC. MOC Micronesian African College. Ela sem larmi. Ma education adi umek pitang. Makardio to darangal gulmor obis. Area karangal kangar vocational skills trade. Agul mengpur, ikagidile Aurora, ablur belau. Jal vocational school, kaya nga mo build na infrastructure, belau. Mga tiyan may research ra, internet, utiagin, dictionary. Trade school, sometimes referred to as a vocational school, or technical school, or vocational college. It is a post-secondary institution that designed to give a students a technical skills to prepare them for specific applications. Ang sabihin mo niya, trade union, trade war. Tiyaji na ulmong aralay, migrate al mga Miguel.
Rain.
Let's improve.
Okay.
Trade.
Well taken. Brother, well taken. Kamahan mo pa ito kung ungit ko eh.
Nga, aragalagay ka tiyaw nga kamang file vote sa puskaw.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Sila ko ulit.
Saya ito question. Game nak mo kotel. Lungil to koy. Nga ka totally agree with him. Rato ko technical school. Nga mga damal import, importation, skilled and unskilled labor. Rahui ping ma elsewhere. Yar nga lagat really tial MOC, PCC, back to MOC. Ela nga telo sigra videographer. Ngaraman dia nga ringira PCC. No, egi tial terror ada kamera kung sendi babras ko gitu ulme. Kada malmol import tay gay gidel pas simple to boy. Egi re remove available at tial vocational college.
If I may say, directors Alomo Ora Elementary School and especially home.
Ya kung taken against statement nga lupa makman.
Ya tara bro. Ya brain is the big problem.
I see. Yeah.
I see.
Really tial blue mo attractive enough.
Yes, kadome singit tial umru rara sila blue oriol.
Hindi ka ata bela man.
Kadome sa real adra surang lensans. Basically 80%, 90% adra siya adra ko. Unang dutir.
Kapakarar si. Omngit sa ML help
Yes, I will, again, ginagawa mo lang support ng colleagues and, I can start the melody, hopefully they will listen.
Halik ko iba'y kagide, maraw po nga niya, kate ko statement na po, tilira ko, erak paskawla, lagaman masumara ko ay. Nisvide, o kalay read it. Quote, He's a smart and very experienced, and we need him in the Senate. Kada malil tra sabarir el voice ergidra o ike. Kada malil tra ada tira mongredra o bira rula. Emdu un mga do ediak madaktel malkok lamrang and have a quality leadership in them. Mung tiang ada alang kagi dengan tiang okolat ide. Elang hersikyota. Mara Washington DC. Malungil sil ceremonial. Keep it up. Arvin Raymond. He is ambassador. We all know his report card. But the thing I admitted and approved of him is I have never seen him involved himself with business, clinging with the foreign nationals or companies. Ay ka ko tumukra to treto ko. Tira o mesir ka. Kau ngora man dia ka sioba ka. Dia ka opportunity. Ay ka opportunity makal kolor ka sila House of Delegates 16 years mga se. Kau ti maudo mateal ra klungya.
Yes, akme promise ala bilos na ko tumurmur. 2004 was here. My business will be your delegate. Teida has been my business. Of course, ako pula ka akablemente tambon niya teal.
Okay.
Hindi as long as akablemente yung da siya temek should be as an elected person representative mendiak musta ka nga mapipira.
Doon marawal bong le kasi mong mutan may Mrs. Isechal.
Misolang.
Men sakti di tulik dia kita manting tepe solai ya boto kas mesumba mak taratan mesuban may. Buaya assurance ala am langara House of Delegates 16 years. Tirga kita ngara outsider belaul matangek klumiolen mak quality ra leadership ngara. Dia ka emosyon ba ngara relasyon. 100% of his time serving the people. Seguro sigot sa ano kasi nga delegate rapidyo. Just to make sure we know who he is. Yung mga doon dia have reservation ni lengaram malkok lamra. Makmalunit tirgamiro sa when comes election day in November. Don't forget malunita support kami morning. Then we need him more than he needs us. Atam. Ali muito tau?
Umilto ta former
Muito tau.
engil al candidate kali ginti la kaloror raw kuk mo bosser nga
Oy.
menti so kalaw ay sir mo knowing him hindi akal salo si ka para bukit sargi
I see.
salo si ka para
Abokit
pwede oy atro kuy
Right,
ya kan para selfie salo si ka para bukit sargi
I see.
sula
Kaman sula.
So lang, I know her and my condolences to your sister who passed away a few days ago.
Okay, you got the last
Yes,
couple minutes.
aware aktima po yung gagawin.
Kapong, eraktik.
Aktima muto yung asulem.
Oy.
Uli nga sulia rubakat tial pelura. Ang middle tangangi man sila pelura ang middle. Your life out of ngormit, top of ngormit. Hamlet ma dekloria suya de belaum lo rengs. Ani aktilo lo ora mo mira ding liar ave en komen nasai. Hindi akna nga tiang lo ngita support leng. I really like to be working for the people. Ya udah buat mereka di lungil, aku lungit terapi ikrar mediang bersebel closer tial siogi lubang dulu.
I was going to say that. Okay, matatululu ko.
Okay, mal masaul. Adam el Dios, agi timerang asule me margong e maral amat terkau rapat kilarngum, maklungnya larngum al merkamam. Ra blessing serkau tel belumam, al dirga hatel COVID-19. Kadi mal madangel wasem batoha ko ra seren ngarngi, pakti malmol melol tergokla. Egam tangir malos pe anges wal mawad al marm kegre mar arngeasaka. Igoreng sa ikal batokol ul kirela monday ma challenges ang ngarngi. Akmaral marang asule memalmol mel dioldar saklang rakamam especially mora aruba karanga kara syo malbol sa aruba kal muira wisdom makloreng madoreng mabud mabaltikereng kamam gimda gelakim mga osanga marar adalos pe anges we bol sa amal maral malamol mga tmok rablumam mga tmok rar adamam legar rogu ruba kakudar sa lekorgao edio lingit logi wang klelang algem liaso sa balam. Amen.